Yes, I, Saka Fit. Welcome back to Yes, I Entertainment. As you can see, it's wet. It's wet all over the place. Today is the first time I am making a video after the rain. It was raining a few minutes ago, and you can still hear the thunderstorm. You can still hear the thunder in the background. So yes, I sometimes when it rains like this, I like to come out here and just watch my garden, get that rainwater to see how my plants and check on my plants to see how they may or may not be grow. I just like to come out here to look at my garden. That's what I want to say. I'm stuttering. My mind is somewhere else. It's a beautiful sight. Anyway, let's go. Let's pause the video so that I could run under the umbrella over there. All right, so I made it. Let's watch the plants get some water. By the way, this is my new banana plant. That plant right there. Don't ask me the name, I forgot it. Supposedly it grows it's you know, it grows in a pot and you could put it in your house. So far this one has grown and I transplanted part of it, but I don't think this one is going to grow because I didn't cut it well. But I'm happy with this one so far. I have another one over there. Um, it's about this size. I don't know if it's going to grow, but it's raining, so I will show it to you guys another time. It's a nice, lovely, rainy evening in the northeast. That's how it looks like when it rains. Let's go walk around a little bit. Um, Sheltering underneath my umbrella. I don't know if it's worth anything because the whole table is wet. Yeah, so watch my plants get some rainwater. Rainwater is way better than the water from the tap. It's way better from the water than the water from the tap. So here I am growing bananas here. When I used to live on the islands, I couldn't give two shoots about a banana plant. And now I find myself growing a banana plant in a pot. As well as over there, some vetiver I bought from Puerto Rico. Some vetiver. I'll show it to you another time. It's growing nicely here. And it looks like I'm trying to import my environment to the northeast of the USA. I really don't know why, because in the northeast, like you get like 3 to 4 months of summer, warm weather. I mean, like 3 to 4 months. June, part of June, July, August, September. By October, it's already cold, and my garden is gonna die, and then regrow again like 5 months later in the spring. So, but I still love my garden. My garden, it's growing nicely. All of this grew within a matter of months, like 3 months. These two plants here, I've had them for like 4 years, and I really don't do well with those plants. But I had them for 4 years, and during the winter time they look all sickly, all dead, almost dead. And by spring, by now, you see how nice they look. And every year I say to myself, I'm gonna get rid of these plants, these two right here. But then again, once they start looking nice like this, I put them back inside of the house. Hopefully, the banana, which is in my new plant, is gonna grow nicely to add to this tree right here. The other banana plant down there, supposedly its roots stay in the soil and then it grows back in spring. So let's see what happens to that the plant. But this garden bed, which I built recently, I don't expect it to be nice looking up until like um, like next spring. Next spring. Yeah, so that's how my deck looks during the on a rainy day. It's okay. I close my umbrella. All my stuff is protected, and this is a bench where I store all of my stuff. You could you could lift up the seat, and then there's I store things in there. So enjoy the nice little ambient weather, or not ambience, but nice little rainy weather. I like rain. Keeps the place cool and nice, and the air moist because I got some terrible sinus issues when it gets too dry. Anyway, take a look at one of my new things on my table, which I'm continuing to develop or build. It's it's an old typewriter which I found in my house. There is an area in my basement where a lot of old things are stored, and that's from the pre the owner from before 20 years ago. And it's a little back room, and I rarely go in there, but there's a lot of antiques in there. So that was one of them. It's a typewriter. I'm thinking of fixing it, but I don't know. It looks like a nice decor for my little table, and I think it might cost like $350 to fix it up, make it as new as possible. Let me try to stretch my hand. You see, it's all seized up, but it maybe after the rain I'll show you guys. Make another video about this typewriter antique. You see, my house is very old. My house is like over 100 years old, and I love it. I love old homes. Well, at least this one. It's a colonial home. You got a porch, um, and a bunch of other things. So I don't necessarily have to be out here because I have a porch. On days like this, I am usually on my porch, which I also have to fix. But actually, I spend 25% of my time on here, and the rest, the other 25 on my porch, which is back there. I don't know, you can't see it. It's at the back of the house. Anyway, that's my little update here for you guys. I got more vetiver plants, and plants are growing. Don't expect it to be nice up until next spring. They are coming to pick up the tree which I cut from which fell about a month ago. So I'm gonna dispose of the tree that way because I can't burn it. I can't burn the wood because there's poison ivy growing on the stem or on the trunk. Know what I mean? All right. Before this video gets too long, let me go and do my little Creole part. Hopefully, I don't know. I don't even know why I do it, but it's for the culture. Yeah, man. It's for the culture, boy. You have to do those things for your culture, man. You have to preserve it. Know what I mean? All right. Sakafet. Mwen an di de la pli, e pli zekle ka, ou ka ten loway, ou ka wè zekle, ou ka ten loway ka pase, moun de wala ka fe video zo. Mwen ka fe meche pou sou kon mwen la men, bo dje. Ou tan li, loway e pli zekle, an la me wik mouve. Mwen pa vle moun la, mwen pa vle moun an la me wik. Mwen vle viwe la men sorti a peyi mwen la. Le mwen mou, le men mou, mou, le men mou. Mwen te ve di moui. Le men mou. Mwen vle yo tewe mwen la, mwen te fet. Bon Dieu. Gade la, gade di bel ti pe banan mwen la. Nom vini la me wik, epi poison nom ve plante plan banan de Kylie. La ite a se sezil la, i pate menm ke mele kont se plan banan. Plan banan se te kon ti pes. Tout partout se plan banan, jodi a la, nom ka viwe plante plan banan an la me wik. Men, sa se o plan banan ki sa profite, a di de pot sa la men. Se sa yu ka ven adan di nan magazin la me wik. Tout on lo moun ni yo an di de kayo, konsa, on di, on gen yon. Sa, mon gen sa la, i fe ti piti a la, epi mo transplante pou mette a di de pot sa la, mon yon lot la ba la akor. Sa ke viv, sa viv an di de kail, bo se so fwe di, men sa la, ti piti a la, i ka sa mwa di, i ka profite, paske mon gen 2 semen pase, epi, i vet toujou, mwen kwe, i ka viv. I sa viv. Sa la, an ba la men, i ke mor, le sezo fwe di vini, men, bo spring, le i ka fe show akor, i ke viye profite, i ke viye profite pli go ki sa, mwen pa sav si sa, yo di sa pa ke vini to gro, i ase pou mette di de kayo, men yon ti met le a di de kayo mo, ko sa mwen kaye profite. Bon, gade tou, patou la, se yon jou, la lap li ka tobe, ou ka tan lo way, ou ka wez li kle, mwen te vle ani moutre zot kou mwen ka gade la, van la me wik, an nor-east, la me wik, se la mwen ka weste. Mwen ka moutre zot kou mwen la vi mwen ye, kou mwen ka viv an la me wik. Mwen feti video sa pou zot men. Se moun la men ki pa ka weste la me wik, mwen sa oto di zo, pitet zo vle weste la me wik, zo pa konet, se pa moun ki ka pale koyol, ki moutre zot, baske, depi ou vini la weste la me wik, sa se sa, ou pa kek vwe apè you, hod ki si ou mette ou an di dan ou bwet, epi you ka ite wè ou, se ko sa ou ka kite la me wik, se ko sa tout moun ka kite la me wik, paske la me wik, dous, sa dous. Bon, gade bel ti jou la men, se pa toutan moun ka fe video la, e ka l'aplika tobe, paske se pa toutan moun dewa, moun di, moun ti ka di an angle, moun yo pa vi la di de kaimon la, mwen ka depanse tan moun la, hod yon 100%, mwen sou dek moun 25%, epi mwen di dan la sal mwen la, 50%, epi lot posar, se 25, mwen di dan ti pavil mwen la, ali de kay mwen. Mwen ke fè video aswi, paske mwen kay komanse yon anje pi meye, paske i pa sal, se la mwen ka fè egzersis epi se bite sal la, mwen pou mette ti met, mwen pou peti weye epi fè ti bite aswi, avan mwen mette asou kamyo. Bon, mwen tourne yon, e ke fè wadi la pi a fini la, mwen sa fè tourne la. Bon, mwen yo ti typewriter la, kome de ka di kay mwen vie, epi ko sa, mwen met kay la, kite ni kay la avan mwen la, i kite yo lo bite do di ti cham. Pi jodi a la, mwen tire sa la, yon de la pli a la, mwen vle wanje. Mwen tire il pou mette la pou fè ti dekor, mwen kwe mwen vle wanje, mwen ke mene yon di dan akor, mwen pa vle gaspi, i ka travay bon toujou. Bon, mwen pou wanje. Pou mene New York, se pa New York mwen ka weste. Mwen ke pale kont li o bon tan. Mwen te ven ni mout rezot. Kou mwen bel li ke gade a sou tab la, ke fè ti bel ti dikor la, ke dekor. Pitet, pitet tapret la sa men, vie ko kaymon la. Kaymon vie ou sav? Kaymon vie. Mwen kwe kaymon se nanay se laj li se yon 130 ou be yon 100 yon 100 yon 117 mwen lo bile. Mwen kwe mwen sav laj li ou sav, men yi vie. Sa vie tout. Sa vie. Mwen ke fò la video la. Mwen ke fò la video la sui. Men, mwen pou kon fini la. Mwen pou kon fini la. Mwen im gen yon ti monso ti kapit. Epi yon ti chej. Pou mwen la mwen asiz la. Bon, ti gade sa bite ka dekole ya ba. Yon van ka, tout bite ou fe, men ka kwaze. Se pa tout bite ou fe la ka kwaze. Bite la, se pa la vidi wan. Yon ni a su se bite sa la mo. Mwen ke fò la video akor la, pli a fini tobe, so la ka sorti de wo. Ase yon la sal bite kot l'Amerik la men. La pli ka tobe. Apre sa, apre ti neditan kon sa, so la ka sorti. Si ou te ka weste a di dan se zil la men, la pli ka tobe, pi ka tobe tout pa sa fe bite. Pa sa fe bite piyes. Bon, mwen fini video la, gade ti jade mon la ka profite, koman te ka di zot, gade di vertive, mwen genye, i ka profite bon, vertive la, ou jan sav koman i ka koupe ti tak. Mwen moutre zot ti pla banan la, si mwen sa wey, lot ti pla banan la kouch la, se pla kawot la ka bouche, sa se tout pou jodi la. Aussi, moni, pe bo a ki tobe a la, mwen mette tout mal la, mwen koupe mal la, epi mwen mette tout de ti saksa la. Souza sa, mwen eme ti saksa la, paske ti saksa se ou poubel, ou se yu ka vini wamase, epi ken jete. Se sa la men, mwen pou a yi ache lot ti sak. Jik tan mwen fini. Bon, sa se tout.